Good afternoon. Today we're bringing you another RV accessory, and today we are going with a custom windshield sunscreen. This fits our Ford 450 motorhome. Really good product. We use this as when we're done and putting away our motorhome after use. We just basically clip it onto the sun visors and has great reflective quality to it. Real super light, foldable, so you could just put it away. We put it right behind the seat, and very good product for your RV. This product is lightweight, foldable, reflective of both sides, inside and outside. When we're done using it, we basically just fold it up and put it away. It does have a couple straps on it. We use them around the sun visors, and really good product, and again, it keeps it really cool in the summertime.